Jamaican stories that will keep you up at night. Wentico Duppy. Full story. There is a Duppy called Wentico from Clarendon. Wentico is a Duppy that a so-called pastor man set when a girl would catch him having XXX with a pig. He told her not to tell anyone, and she walk and tell everybody. It spread like butter upon bread. When he found out what she did, he set the Wentico Duppy upon her, and the Duppy was one of the most famous Duppy because him never hide. Anybody who go to her yard could see him, and if him don't like you, then you can't go in the yard. Him have the girl do all sort of things like climb light wire, climb pepper tree, strip to her birthday suit, and chat anything the Duppy tell her for say. If you know the Duppy don't like you, and you still go in the yard, the Duppy will stone you. Him tell her what to eat and what not to. After a while, she no eat anything. Him feed upon her till she passed away. Like and follow for more.